In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting HLBZ to do. Helbis. Now, first things first, is always disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. Having said that, today we are 85 as of right now percent up for the day, which is insane amount, right? I was proved wrong. What was my yesterday's prediction? This is what I was looking at. I was expecting the lows to continue to get cleared still, but nah, it was the other way around. So my prediction was not correct. I'm gonna basically say I'm not gonna say that oh it was correct and this and that. So I said in the previous week, if the pie gets broken, I'm proven wrong. Basically, it shifts. Then we're gonna look for other things. Yes. And as of right now, after the shift, we have huge gap that we might be filling. This is a big demand area also, and quite definitely I'm expecting these highs to continue to get cleared. Now let me know your thoughts into the comment section down below. And your question might also be, how are these highs going to get cleared? Either something along these lines, or something in between, like this. I really have to see how the thing is going to stop, but definitely expecting the highs to continue to get cleared.